Here we have a quick look at the Renpho Smart Tape Measure. As you can see, it's just there. Now it comes in a nice box. The good packaging is always with Renpho, and a bit more about it in the back there. Now that's the 12 body measurements it does and how it actually connects. So let's go and have a look at it just now. Now it's very light, 0.06 kilograms, so 600 grams, very tiny. And there it is just there. Now, isn't that very, very cool? So start by turning it on, just like that. Now it's very easy to use. Now you've got the centimeters there. You can change the mode to different measurements. So if you want to go to inches, centimeters, it's all there. And there's a Bluetooth as well, which you connect to the app. And essentially it's very, very easy. You just open it up like this, get the centimeters or get the inches, and then you lock it on whatever you're measuring, which you put in there. Lock into place, and then Bluetooth that measurement there. So you go through all 12 body parts, and then it accurately goes and puts it on there. So it can do whatever parts that you want. And you just pair it with the app and it's ready to go. So that's the Renpho tape there. As I said, really easy to use. Takes no time at all. And once you've taken the measurement, you can detach, open it back up, and then just put it back in there like this. That easy, guys. Isn't that fantastic? The Renpho Smart Tape Measure.